What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the Finesse Guy, 80 Diggity, J Diggy 92, coming back at y'all with, as y'all can clearly see, another unboxing, unbagging, whatever you gonna call it, right? Alright, so today it's a little light. And if it seems like I'm rushing this shit, it's because I got a shit ton of videos to record. I got like 14 videos to try to record in a matter of like 2 days. So that being said, hit the thumbs up and that like button because I'm actually fucking making content again. Like, seriously. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. So you can go ahead and view all this fucking content that I'm making currently. And rushing to get through in 2 days. But nah, man. So today we got some little unbaggings or unboxings, so to say. Let's go ahead and get straight into the first one. So the first one, I'm going to open this one first because I know exactly what it is. This one is coming from Fabletics. I'll explain it to you why I paused like that. But this is like my second Fabletics unboxing. It's just you ain't get to see the first, whatever. Alright, so if y'all follow me on Instagram or whatever, I done dropped a few reels here and there of like my gym progress and my gym grind. So this should come as no surprise that I went ahead and bought some workout shorts. These are fucking fire. I'm actually gonna wear these bitches on Sunday. Yeah, man, I'm in the process. I really want to make like gym content for you guys, so y'all can see like maybe like a little mini gym vlog or something like that. My fucking locks getting in my fucking face. I can't see, but nah, man, I really want to. It's just a matter of, am I gonna be recording? Are y'all gonna be able to hear me? Is it just gonna be like one of them silent things? Like, I just gotta figure that whole process out. I might try to record this Sunday since I'll have Savage Beauty with me. It's just a matter of audio stuff, and because I go to Planet Fitness, I ain't trying to get copyrighted, so we'll see how that goes and if I'm recording. It just depends on her mood too. So yeah, hopefully gym vlog in the way. Alright, so the second package should be from Shein. I know I've been shopping at Shein a lot recently. From the Where to Buy Comfy shorts from, and then I think it might have been in another Frugal Finesse video and stuff like that. But Shein is like my best friend right now because they have hella gym clothes. So like I said, I've been into the gym and it feels like gym is life right now. So that being said, I went ahead and bought some more shorts, and I'm gonna just be honest, I'm not really into this hoochie daddy shit. So these are crazy. These are gonna make my thighs pop like a son of a bitch. The only good thing is I wear like the spandex up under them, so it ain't gonna be too crazy. But if I wasn't wearing spandex, my God. And speaking of spandex, here's a pair right here. I went ahead and bought these just because I be needing spandex. I try to stay ready with spandex, keep spandex on deck, just because you can never have enough. So you went ahead and got those. This next package, what is next? Bag should be, yeah. Like I said, I like working out in hoodies. I don't know if I said that in a previous video. I think I might have, but if I didn't, I like working out in fucking hoodies. So just a blue hoodie just for the gym. Essentially, this is like damn near a gym haul, honestly. She said, boy, you don't get that cheap ass shit off me. But nah, man, like I said, gym is life to me right now, so expect a lot of gym packages coming y'all way. Especially since I'm like a Fabletics member now, and I be getting the discounts and stuff. But expect it. And then lastly, I just got some more shorts. Like I said, hoochie daddy season is going crazy. It was not on purpose, trust me. I wish I knew these was this damn short, but I mean, it's only for the gym. I'm not wearing them anywhere else, so it ain't gonna be that wild. Alright, so with those packages out the way, go ahead and get into this one. So for this one, I have two things to say. One, I would never thought I would own these, and two, this is my second time buying the exact same pair. So let's go ahead and open them, and we'll get right into it. Alright, so they came without the bag being fully on. So this is my second time buying a pair of these exact Crocs, right? So initially, I don't know if I plugged the footage, but I bought these in a size 12 initially. The bitches was too damn big, so I ended up having a, you remember these? You remember these? I know you do. I'm asking her if she remember because she thinks this is a toy. The little piece on top, she thinks that's a toy. She keeps trying to bite it. I should have plugged the footage if I... Not a toy, honey. She see this if she wanted. It's not a toy. See, it's not a toy. You're not supposed to eat. You're not supposed to eat that. It's Daddy's shoe. It's my shoe. You can't have it, huh? No. Yeah, so this is my second time buying these. So I had to size down because I did not know my Croc size, and I took an L on that one. But I got a refund and just went ahead and bought a new pair and a size down. So it's not really an L. It's more like a delayed. In the words of Bullet RC, a delayed W. So, they gave me a full refund and I just went ahead and bought these ones. So, nah, man, I never thought I would own a pair of fucking Crocs, which is crazy. Like, me and a pair of Crocs, like, growing up, if you wore Crocs, you was goofy. Like, they would roast the fuck out of you for wearing Crocs. Be like, boy, what the fuck is you, a nurse? Like, boy, I'm finna cook your ass. Like, that type shit. So, the fact that I'm buying these right now is like beyond me, but I ain't gonna fake. I put the size 12s on. These shits feel amazing on feet. Like, I don't know, bro. I think I'm on the Croc wave now. I don't know. I just don't know. It was just this colorway right here was just super fire to me, because it's black and white, and then it's that hint of yellow. Like, that really did it. So that's why I copped these specific ones, and it's just like, that might have been the best thing for me to do. Like, I really like these shoes. I will be doing like a full on feet review of these Crocs just because it will be the first for my channel, and I think a lot of y'all would want to know y'all Croc size just in case y'all never seen a pair before or wore a pair before. But just know you can try on a pair of Crocs anywhere. I know there's different variations of Crocs and stuff, but these are just the normal Crocs. They're not the hiking pair. So yeah, like I said, I do a full on feet review, all that good stuff. So y'all know what to expect from that. Just be on the lookout for that. And I'm talking way too much about this one shoe. Yes, you are. You got red in your mouth. But nah, man. This is just this. This is it for this little unboxing, unbagging. It's just a gym haul, and we unlocked a new level of Diggy, a new level of, damn, I'm getting old because I care about comfort. Like, so that being said, man, make sure you hit the thumbs up, that like button, subscribe if you hadn't already. Join the God Squad. I love you guys, man. Thank y'all so much for watching all the content. Follow me on TikTok. I made a fucking sneaker TikTok. Finesse Kicks, Finesse_Kicks on TikTok. I finally made like a personal / sneaker TikTok, so follow me on there if y'all want to see like fits of the day and little random shit I be doing. I'm having fun with it actually, so be on the lookout for more TikToks, and I'll probably post some of those TikToks on here, which I already did on one of my little shorts or whatever. But I ain't gonna say I'm getting into reels, but they kind of fun. So follow me on TikTok if you haven't already, and yeah, man, follow me on all socials. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. I'm your boy, the Finesse Guy 80 Diggy, J Diggy 92. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all. Y'all be easy. Peace.